Hello everyone, I am Malathi from the Department of Mathematics, SNS College of Engineering. I am going to take one lecture series based on probability and random variables. In that first chapter is probability. For that, the definition of probability is the likelihood of an event happening based on all the possible outcomes. It is a fundamental concept in mathematics and has numerous application in various fields. For this, if you want to say, when we can say the probability, the prediction, in the case of prediction, in the case of chances, we should have to use the word of probability. The probability value is lies between 0 and 1. The extreme value of probability is 0 and 1. We should not beyond the limit zeros and 1. Suppose if we are getting any negative values or above 1 means we have done mistake in somewhere. So always the probability value should lies between zeros and ones. Here we are having three conditions, that is the probability values lies between zeros and ones, and total probability value is 1. Summation of all the outcomes and union of all the outcomes should be equal to 1. That is, probability measures the uncertainty of an event occurring and provides a numerical value of it. It's represented by a number between 0 and 1, where 0 indicates impossibility and 1 indicates certainty. Probability theory deals deals with random experiments such as flipping a coin or rolling a die or choosing a cards from the whole group. And then we are having axioms of probability. We are having three axioms, that is, probability value should lies between zeros and 1, and total probability value is 1, and summation and union should be equal. They define the basic rules and properties of probability of an event. The axioms provides the fundamental mathematical work for understanding probability theory. They ensure that the assigned probabilities are consistent with logical reasoning. Sample space. First of all, we should know what is sample space. Suppose if I am saying tossing a coin. Tossing a single coin means the possible outcomes are head and tail. These two is called sample space. So number of all possible outcome is called an sample space. It is denoted by capital S. The definition is its set of all possible outcomes of a random experiment is called sample space. Types of event. We are having many types of events, that is mutually exclusive event, exhaustive event, then independent event, dependent event. Mutually exclusive event means one event should not affect other events outcomes, that is called mutually exclusive event. One happening means that another thing will not happen at the same time. And then the exhaustive events means all the possible outcomes will happen, means that is exhaustive event. Independent events means one will not affect others. Dependent event means one event surely will affect the other event. We are having many examples for this. Suppose the one student is not studying in the classroom now, surely he will not get placement in the final semester. So this is called dependent event. Event intersection means the event intersection refers to the occurrence of multiple events simultaneously. Then probability range always should lies between 0 and 1. Probability are always between 0 and 1 indicates the likelihood of event. The probability of an event can be represented as percentage for easy understanding. Suppose we cannot say 1 by 8 probability, we cannot say 1 by 9 probability, we can say 0.25 percentage. So for the easy communication, we are converting the probability into a percentages. And then we are having conditional probability. It is the probability of an event given that another event has already occurred. Then we are having Bayes' theorem. It provides way to revise existing procedures and probabilities given a new evidence. Then independence of event. Earlier I said no, one event will not affect the other event. Then the occurrence of one event does not affect the occurrence of another. They are said to be independent event. Multiplication rule. The probability of the intersection of independent event is the product of their individual probabilities. Application of probabilities are playing a vital role in the real life, that is in data science, risk management, stock market analysis, gambling scenarios, weather forecasting, biostatistics. Everywhere we are using the probability. Thank you.